Okay, so long time no see. There's a lot going on today. I know I look a mess. I look a mess most days now, but that's gonna be okay. You're gonna get really familiar with me looking like this. So my big plan here is to be very good about filming the next couple processes for the building of this house. That's the plan, and I failed last time. I failed miserably last time, and I don't want that to happen again. So hopefully this works out better. I don't know. So as you can see, basically nothing has changed in here. Everything's pretty much the same way that we left it. It just kind of is what it is. We left in a rush. We went on a 2-month, almost 3-month tour. We did evangelistic series. It was amazing. But now we're back, and we're trying to put together a plan. There's just so many things that need to be done. But for right now, Laura is going to work on cabinets, so she's going to try her best to get as many cabinets sand as possible. Me and Pops are going to try to deal with the upstairs, get some vents in, throw the insulation in, and then hopefully we can close up the upstairs, move down to the downstairs. I have to help him at his house move some things around, to move his couches out of our area, which is over here somewhere. And then hopefully we can clean up all this, get these cabinets over where I was standing over here in the kitchen, and that way this area, sorry for the motion sickness, this entire area can be cleared enough so we can do the drywall, or at least do the ceiling, because that's what we got to do first. We got to do the ceiling first, and then we can move on and do like the walls. I might even move the cabinets back today just to get them out of the way. So me and Laura are trying to move these cabinets out of the way, and we don't have a dolly, so we're gonna use the skateboard. Ingenuity. Ingenuity. Okay, so now we're halfway through the day, and not much has changed. We did clear out this area behind me. Now it's over there. Tomorrow we'll move the piano, move the other couches, and it'll be more free in here, and then put the rest in that back corner somewhere. And then hopefully start on the ceiling. So, okay, so day one, probably not the best day in the world. We didn't get a whole lot done, but we did move a lot of things, and we're prepared for tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna help Dad right now do some things at his house that will help us to be able to do stuff at our house. We're gonna tear this down, guys. That's what's happening next. And Mom's happy that I ate salad. Yep. All right, would you look at that? Did my hair today. Anyways, we got a lot done yesterday. We got the scaffolding. We put up some paintings. You saw me right now putting up some lights. So we're done there. So today, hopefully, we're gonna get the couches out of here, move some things around, maybe get the drywall lift up, or potentially, this is the second idea, we put in a window today. We'll see how it goes. Taking the windows down. It's a terrible process, but it has to be done.
Taking the windows down, or is she putting them up?
First you gotta tear the sheet metal down, and then you gotta put the windows up.
Maybe.
There it is.
We did 2x2s.
And the Unfortunately, guys, there's a lot going on here. So we're gonna put the sheet metal back on, and I am not gonna film it because I have to be on the roof, hanging over the edge to get the screws into the top. So this is gonna be real fast, but by the time we get back here, the sheet metal should be in. Bam! How about that? Done. Looks good? I think it looks pretty good. That's what it would look like if it was properly exposed. There it is, guys. That's where we spent all day working on. Getting those 2 windows up there. And I think they look pretty sweet. Yeah. This is what the aftermath of that septic tank build looks like. Finally all the snow cleared. It's just kind of a minefield of hills and dirt. So we still got to get that buried and leveled off. Good morning, peoples of the planet. I'm tired. We got a lot of work today. Alright guys, we're making good progress. We got 3 pieces of drywall up, and it took up this whole ceiling. So right now we're gonna measure because we have the light here. So we're gonna throw a magnet in it, put it up, then find it, and then cut out the hole and then drill it down. So it should be pretty easy. A little over 4.5. So it'd be 5 total. 5 rows. 5.5 total. A fifth. See, we're making better progress than we think. Look how big those things are.
Oh, they're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Ow, ow.
Hit me right in the eye.
It hurts. It hit me in the ear.
Stick it off.
How do you feel?
I feel pretty bad. I had to go up in this corner over here and put in more insulation.
Oh, boy.
And guess who didn't wear a mask or eye goggles? I was hacking up a lung earlier. It was terrible. But it's done now.
Very smart.
But it's done now. You're really short, actually. You have to be like way up here.
Put it on the wall.
Laura was trying to help.
Yeah, she can help on the wall.
She did a good job.
See, with the other ladder, I can be like sitting on that ladder. And then it's all good. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so I think we're going to call it there. We're kind of tired, but got a lot done. I'll have to show you more in the morning, but, you know. Did 3.5 rows? 3 1/4 rows, so it's looking different. Like if I stand over here, oh, it almost looks like, if I do right here, no, right here, I'm at home. We zoom in. Oh, I'm at my new house, guys. It's done. Psych. It is what it is. Wanna go for a spin? And now we're here. We did more of the ceiling. Totally forgot to film it, but this video is 10 minutes long, so I'm gonna end it here. And I'll see you guys in the next one. I do have a really cool story to share with you guys, but you're gonna have to wait till the next one. It's gonna build your faith. It definitely builds ours, and it's pretty awesome. You might have noticed some trees that are gone in this area, and that's the only hint I'll give you. So I'll see you later. Goodbye.